Hello, Dr. Rita Bhattacharjee here, mainly belonging to Puri, Orissa, now heading the Department of Counseling Psychology at VIT Vellore. Today I'm going to speak on relationship. Relationship has come into it various changes in our lifetime during this COVID as compared to pre-COVID, COVID and post-COVID. We do not know what is going to be in the post-COVID situation. But in the pre-COVID situations and environment, if I concern, their relationship was not at all good. People were so much worried and they were all busy with their own life. As for the condition I was concerned with my profession, I could find out that there was no proper bond between a parent and their ward or child. The relationship was not so good. And due to this COVID situation, the relationship was somewhat fine because the children were with their parents and they both were happy. But the relationship again turned to somewhat violent because of the lockdown and all. We do not know what is going to happen in the post-COVID situations, and things are going to vary very soon. Well, if I talk about relationship, there are different types of relationship. When a child is born, the child is coming across the parents, the relatives. Slowly, gradually, they don't come to know about the friend, where the friendly relationship takes place. And they belong to a family where they might have some siblings, so there is a sibling relationship. And when they grow up, there are some colleagues who are going to work after the higher qualification or so. So they come across the colleague relationship also. Later they land up in a husband-wife relationship. So there are so many types of relationship. But still, why do we come across anxiety or depression or frustration or something different where we are mentally unhealthy? So why can't we take care of this relationship and come forth and share our disturbances and negative outcomes which really disturbs us from within? Now, if we say that I am depressed, let us find out what is the main reason of depression. It's not that depression comes and goes very often. No. So when we come across a certain problem, and if we cannot solve that particular problem, where fear comes in us, and that fear turns into anxiety, and that anxiety is not taken care, if it is so, then it turns to depression. So it comes to different type of stages. So what I would like to say is, if I come across a good relationship, whether it may be a relationship with our parents or friends or siblings or our life partner, whoever it is, or our teachers maybe. So if we come across a very good relationship, we can share our difficulties, our problems, so that it does not go to fear or anxiety or depression. So my dear friends, or whoever is listening to me, I feel that a relationship has to be built up to a very good bond so that we share each other and come up in our lifetime and overcome all the problems that we come across in our life. Whatever is the situation is, we all come under stress, but some stress is good, some are bad. So if they are good, we have to utilize them in a proper way. If they are bad, we have to overcome those things. Why I say it is bad? Because it hurts us. We cannot take those type of stress into our heart, and it really disturbs us from within. And that disturbance also kills us from concentrating in our own work rather than our children or our parents or our own life partner, whoever it is. So what I would like to say is, let us come across the relationship problems first. So if there is a problem in our relationship, open up, talk to the person, try to make the person understand that this is what my feelings are, this is what my emotions are, this is where I would like to talk to you, this is where I would like you to understand me as well as me understanding you. A small misunderstanding also can create a great havoc in our lifetime. So my dear friends, come up, build up your relationship, a good bond among each other, and try to see how it works. Have a blessed time, everyone. Take care, all of you.